Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on one of the most important features in Figma, how to export your designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, exporting your work correctly is essential to ensure that your designs look great across various platforms. So without further delay, let's dive right in. To begin, open your Figma project and select the specific frames or objects that you wish to export. You can make use of Figma's handy selection tools to quickly choose multiple elements if needed. Once you have made your selection, navigate to the right sidebar and look for the Export tab. This will open up a variety of options to customize your exports. Figma offers various export formats depending on your requirements. To select your preferred format, simply click on the Format drop-down and choose from options such as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Remember to consider the export quality and file size when making your selection. Next, let's take a look at the export settings. This is where you can fine-tune your export to best fit your needs. You can adjust settings such as scale and file naming conventions. Figma also provides options for exporting with or without background transparency. Once you're satisfied with your export settings, it's time to export your design. Simply click on the Export button and choose your destination folder. After the export process is complete, navigate to your chosen destination folder to review the exported files. Make sure everything looks as expected before sharing or using the files in your projects. And that's it. We hope you found it helpful and that it makes your design workflow much smoother. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Figma tutorials and other helpful content. Thank you for watching.